Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find and manage display settings on your NUBIA Air. So basically, if you want to set up your display, I'll show you all the options there and how to set up your display. So start up with opening up your settings, and as you can see here, display, click on it. And here you already have dark mode, read mode, eye comfort mode, and color temperature. So basically you can edit the colors of your phone, like warmer, cooler, or either choose from a palette like this. Here you can adjust your brightness level manually, brighter or darker. You can turn on the automatic brightness, so your brightness will adjust to your environment and activity on your phone. Here you can adjust your font size and font weight, display size, so basically like this, screen timeout, keep screen on while looking, so it will remain lit when eye is detected looking at the screen. You can adjust your screen refresh rate, top area settings, full screen display, auto rotate screen, and basically that's all the display settings on your NUBIA Air. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.